నమస్తే, నేను క్రాంతి. కంటెంట్ బేస్డ్ మూవీస్తో ఎప్పుడూ మనల్ని అలరించే విజయ్ యాంటోనీ ఈసారి విజయ రాఘవన్ అనే సినిమా చేశారు. ఈ మూవీ మాస్ అండ్ యాక్షన్ ఎంటర్టైనర్గా ఉంది. ఆ సినిమా విశేషాలు ఆయన మాటల్లోనే విందాం. హాయ్ విజయ్ యాంటోనీ గారు, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I'm fine, Kranti. How are you?
I'm good. I'm great doing. And after long time, మళ్ళీ తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చారు విత్ విజయ రాఘవన్ మూవీ. హౌ ఆర్ యూ ఫీలింగ్?
Feeling really good, you know. When I started dubbing my movies in the initial stage from Nakli to Salim, I know my movies will be having a decent reception. I never expected that I'll become a mainstream actor in this industry too. Though I play a very small portion here, but still the reception itself is a huge for me, because I don't know how to speak in Telugu except Andariki Namaskaram, but still people are believing in me. Still people are believing in me and accepting me and seeing me like their family member, and same movie, I'm not doing any modification.
Yes.
And they are able to accept it, and I believe both the emotions are same. The way I perceive the movie and the way I'm choosing the script is completely matching for this audience too. So in that series, this movie Vijay Raghavan also will satisfy all the audience, I believe.
Okay, and any special thing is there? It is added your name ante Vijaya Raghavan.
Nothing.
The specialty is there?
Nothing, no reason actually. Actually, it is not my choice. Director had given this name for the character.
Okay, and what is your character is about in this movie?
I am actually studying for IAS. I want to become an IAS officer.
Okay.
But due to certain accident which I met with some villains in that movie, I am turning into a politician, and how I am handling politics is the story about.
Okay, so politics kuda untundi
Yes.
story lo.
Yeah.
ఓకే, సో అంటే మధ్యలో మాస్టర్ లాగా అంటే పిల్లలకి మీరు
Yeah, because while studying IAS, while preparing for IAS, I used to take classes for my apartment. I mean, housing. I live in a housing board quarters.
ఓకే.
I teach classes for my neighbors in my free
Okay.
time. So that's
సో
what.
అంటే మీ క్యారెక్టర్ ఎన్ని టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ వేరియేషన్స్?
Yeah, I'm a tuition teacher. I'm a IAS student, an MBA student in the movie, and finally a politician too.
Finally you'll become a politician.
I will be getting into politics. No?
Oh.
So what I'm doing in politics.
Yeah, అసెంబ్లీలో మీ డైలాగ్ ఒకటి
Yeah,
ఉంది.
yeah,
సో
yeah.
సో అది
I'm
నిజం
becoming
అన్నమాట.
a counselor. Yeah, I become a counselor, and what I'm doing with the post counselor is the story about.
కౌన్సిలర్ అవుతారా?
yeah.
ఓకే, సో హౌ కెన్ యూ అంటే మీ ఆర్క్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, మీ క్యారెక్టరైజేషన్ అంటే ఇమోషన్స్ అంటే బికాజ్ అండ్ విజయ్ యాంటోనీ గారి మూవీ అంటే కంప్లీట్గా మేము మా ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ మాకుంటాయి, బికాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ కంటెంట్ బేస్డ్ ఫిలిం ఫర్ ష్యూర్. సో ఈ మూవీ ఆడియన్స్కి ఎలాంటి కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎమోషన్స్ కానివ్వండి, లేకపోతే ఎలాంటి మూవీ కాబోతోంది?
It is a movie like Pichagadu.
Oh,
In
okay.
Pichagadu, I am sacrificing a lot for my mother. In this movie, what I am doing for my mother, it is not the dream of this guy. This is a dream of my mother.
ఓకే.
The entire journey of Vijay Raghavan is a dream of my mother.
ఓకే.
So, and it will be, as you told me, it is a script oriented movie only. I don't know how to choose a movie only for its commercial elements. I cannot do a movie without a proper script. So that script may be liked by somebody or may not like it, but I choose a script, strong script. Though it look like a commercial masala movie, it has got a very strong screenplay in it, commercial strong script in it. So people who have liked my previous movies like Roshagadu and Vichagadu will definitely like Vijay Raghavan.
ఓ
Yeah.
ఓకే, సో ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి అంటే మాస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ మూవీయా
Yeah,
లేకపోతే
it is having mass elements also. What is
యాక్షన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో దేర్?
Yeah, action is what is mass, Kranti?
మాస్ మీన్స్
The dancing around the tree. What is mass?
నాట్
What
డాన్సింగ్.
is
సమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ విల్ లైక్ మాస్, ఐ మీan లుక్ వైజ్
dancing with the
కానివ్వండి, హెవీ
singer.
డైలాగ్స్ లైక్ పంచ్
Yeah,
డైలాగ్స్.
punch dialogues I'm speaking here. In the assembly I'm speaking punch dialogue.
Yeah.
So it is a mass movie there. And do you want dance also?
Dance we don't expect from Vijay Antony.
Okay. maybe in future I'm trying to do a big commercial dance in Pichagadu too. I think you can expect dance also from me. So if you ask me something, if you force me to do that, I will do that also. So you demand things from me. So I'm dancing for
సో
Bichagaru.
బిచ్చగాడు 2 లో మేము ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు మీ దగ్గర నుంచి
one commercial dance.
ఇది మాసా లేకపోతే
Mass.
క్లాస్
No class. I don't know class. Mass only I can do 6-8 steps.
సో ఇది మాస్ అండ్ యాక్షన్ ఎంటర్టైనర్ అంటారు.
Yeah, it doesn't have a pakka mass commercial. Yeah. I am dancing also in this song. Few steps.
ఈ సాంగ్ లో
I think it's not shown in the visual.
Slum
I think
anthem
I think you can see that visual in the trailer. I am dancing.
స్లమ్ యాంథమ్ లోనా?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, few steps I would have danced.
ఆహా, ఓకే
Yeah.
ఓకే.
So this is a mass. It is catering the people who likes dance. It's catering the people who likes fight. And romance is also here. So it's a complete masala movie.
ఎస్.
Yes.
సో ఆడియన్స్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసిన అన్ని
And
ఎలిమెంట్స్
stories also here. I am not leaving that area.
ఎస్.
Story also will be there in the movie.
ఓకే. అండ్ ఆనంద్ కృష్ణకి ఎందుకు బిచ్చగాడు 2 కూడా డైరెక్ట్ చేయడానికి అవకాశం ఇచ్చారు?
I'm actually starting up one more project with me, and that project is going to take off from coming January. So that's the reason why I am doing this myself.
నో, నేను అడిగింది ఏంటంటే ఆనంద్ కృష్ణ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో డైరెక్టింగ్ బిచ్చగాడు 2.
No, I am directing Bichagaru too.
యు ఆర్ డైరెక్టింగ్
Yeah,
ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్.
yeah.
ఓ ఓకే. సో ఆనంద్ కృష్ణ వాట్ ఈస్ హీ డూయింగ్ ఫర్ బిచ్చగాడు 2?
No, he helped me in the story discussion.
Oh,
He
okay.
pushed me. He is about to do the direction. I
Okay.
forced him to do this direction. He forced me to do direction. He told me that, sir, finally you are the person who written the story. You will be able to give much more justice than what I will give. And let us do one more movie in Solti. He is directing my next movie.
Oh,
That
is it?
shooting is going to start from coming February.
January,
Yeah,
is it?
Jan or Feb.
ఓకే. సో ఈ మూవీకి విజయ్ రాఘవన్ అనే సినిమాకి ఎడిటర్గా కూడా మీరే
Yeah, I am
వర్క్
the
చేశారు.
editor,
ఎందుకు అంత లాట్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రెస్? బికాస్ వై ఆర్ యూ గోయింగ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా మైల్? ఎందుకంటే హీరోస్ అనేవాళ్ళు దే డూ దేర్ జాబ్ అండ్ దే విల్ గో. అంటే ప్రమోషన్స్కి వస్తారు, దెన్ ఏదైనా లేకపోతే సక్సెస్ మీట్స్ అలాంటి వాటికి వస్తారు. బట్ ఎందుకు వై డూ యూ వాంట్ టు టేక్ ఎక్స్ట్రా పెయిన్ ఆర్ స్ట్రెస్ ఫర్ దిస్ మూవీ?
I also asked the same question to me. Somehow I'm not able to leave that. I like editing more, and I want to see the movie which I have listened, because people are coming for me to theaters. Sometimes I will be using new directors for movie, and somehow before delivering that to the public, I want to support that movie from my part also. My part is not stopping in acting itself. My responsibility goes until the release of the movie. So I'll be satisfied if I am able to put my energy also there and until the release of the movie, so that people are waiting for me, they are paying 100 rupees or 200 rupees and coming to the theater, and I want to push my support to the movie. I believe if established editor, other established editor will be approximately doing 5 to 6 movies a year, but in my style, I'll be focusing only in the movie which I've acted. So the attention span will be much more higher than other editors for my movie. So this is one of the reason. But as you told me, I'm struggling also because of lack of sleep, and I could have much more spoken to all these. I don't unnecessarily attend public events, and I don't have time for that. I want to really party. I want to go for a club. I want to drink, I want to smoke, I want to enjoy my life, but
you don't do.
Yeah, I rarely smoke, I rarely drink. I want to make it more frequent.
ఓకే. సో మీరు మీ అంటే ఓన్లీ ఫర్ విజయ్ రాఘవన్ మీరు ఎడిటర్గా ఉన్నారు? అంటే ప్రీవియస్
from Salim itself I had been continuously doing without putting my name. Here and there I will be doing editing. Recently I have become official editor for Indrasena, Roshagadu. This is my third movie as official editor.
ఓకే.
And for Bichagaru 2 also I am editing.
బిచ్చగాడు 2 మోస్ట్ అవైటింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అండి మాకైతే. అంటే తెలుగులో మేము చూసాం కదా బిచ్చగాడు, అసలు ఎంత బాగా ఆడిందో. సో బిచ్చగాడు 2 మీద ఇంకా ఎక్కువ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి ఆబ్వియస్ గా.
Thank you.
సో దానికి మీరు హీరో, డైరెక్టర్, ఎడిటర్, మ్యూజిక్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అంటే సింగిల్ కార్డ్ మీదేనా? సో హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ విజయ్ గారు?
It's possible. No, you are actually multitasking. Are you married? I'm sorry. Not. You are having children?
Yes.
Okay, so you are taking care of your children, teaching them, cooking for your husband, taking for your father and mother, traveling, doing this job. You may have a part-time job also. So how much multitasking you are doing? So I don't have any of those responsibilities. I don't take care of my children. I don't worry about my family also sometimes. I take care of my project alone. So you are also multitasking. I am also doing what you are doing. So everybody is multitasking. No? Every working woman comparing their stress. Mine is nothing. I am supported by all my assistants. No? In editing I have assistant. In direction I have assistants. In music I have assistants. But if you, as I told you, if you, my mother used to cook for us in the morning, and then she will leave and she will walk for 30 minutes 20 minutes to reach the bus stand. From the bus stand she will go to the local city bus stand. From city bus stand she will travel to one more city for 1 hour travel. Then from there she will be taking one more bus to reach her office. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yeah,
She'll
3
be,
buses.
Yeah, 3 buses and 20 minutes walk, and then she'll be coming back from the office at in the evening 9 o'clock or 8:30. She worked like this. So comparing her struggle and all this, I'm supported with all these cushions. No, mine is nothing.
Mm.
So everybody is working. You are also working. So I am taking up the burden according to my capability only.
Mm. Okay.
Somehow I am able to manage. Otherwise, my stress would have been seen in my face.
So little stress and
Little,
not
but
much,
stress is
not
there.
much.
I can much more enjoy the life much more than what I'm doing. Maybe from the next year I will assemble proper team around me, and I may quit editing and all the other stuff. I may focus only in music. Acting. I will do it.
అండ్ బిచ్చగాడు 2 ఎలా ఉండబోతోంది అంటే ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఏ సీక్వెల్ ఆర్ అనదర్
Suspense. Suspense. Let it be suspense for some time.
సమ్ టైమ్
Yeah, it will be a blockbuster for sure.
ఓకే
But you have some clue about that movie during the promotional interviews. I will definitely reveal the secrets.
అది
behind.
ఒక లుక్ చూసాను, అది బిచ్చగాడు 2 దేనా అంటే అమ్మవారి లాగా ఇలా టంగ్ బయట
Yeah,
పెట్టి
that's a goddess actually, Kali goddess. And Pichakaran 1 had Pichakaran 1 also is related to God only. No,
yes
I don't eat for 48 days only for the purpose of saving my mother. And Hindu goddess, Murugan. I'm using Kali. It is a divine. How to tell? Kali also plays a very vital role in this movie. So that's the reason why.
సో
Hero is getting anger because of a reason, and that anger will be like the goddess Kali's anger.
మై గాడ్ అంత ఇంటెన్స్
Yeah,
ఉంటుంది
yeah,
అనమాట
yeah,
క్యారెక్టర్.
yeah.
ఓకే, అండ్ వాట్ అబౌట్ దిస్ ఆత్మిక ఎందుకు నెక్స్ట్ సమంత ఫ్యూచర్ సమంత అని ఎందుకు అన్నారు చెప్పు.
She's a very talented girl, and first time I met her in the set only.
ఓకే,
Very good in acting. She knows Tamil. She knows Telugu too,
ఎస్
and good dancer. She doesn't waste her time in other stuffs. If she doesn't have a shooting today, she'll be using that time for photo shoots. And a nice girl to work with. I think after this movie's release, she'll become busy in Telugu also.
అండ్ మీ కెరీర్ చూస్తే మీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ మూవీస్ మనం చూస్తే కనుక టోటల్లీ డిఫరెంట్. ఒక మూవీ టు అనదర్ మూవీ అసలు చాలా టోటల్లీ డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది మీ మూవీస్. సో వై డూ యూ వాంట్ టు చూస్ దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఫిలిం జానర్స్? ఎందుకంటే ఒకసారి చేసిన మూవీ ఇంకొకసారి చేయరా? అంటే సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ మీరు మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేయరా?
I don't think I am doing such homework to make difference in my movie to movie. Somehow I got this good name. I don't know how come I got this good name. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yes,
I
yes.
don't really put much effort in showing difference. You know, you have to live your life. If you're worried about, we have to show some difference to audience. If you think about audience, you detach yourself from audience. You are an audience. You do something for yourself. You be the same like how you came from before coming into the industry, how I used to be. You keep the same mentality, then you will be always like audience. Once you satisfy yourself, it will satisfy the entire mass. So I generally like what I do. and that's what is happening. I don't really want to make some difference. If you start filtering out some good scripts with all the preset mind which you have, sometimes you may tend to lose some good stuffs which is coming towards you. So I don't have any expectation, different script, all these stuffs. But I think luckily I am doing something different. Automatically it is falling in my. I think you are, that is the image which I have created in your mind. I think that image is giving that different look.
అంతేగాని మీ సైడ్ నుంచి మీ మీ ఎఫర్ట్ కానీ ఏం
Nothing.
లేదంటే
I am just doing what I like. Simply, I like the script. I am doing it. I like one more script. Yeah, automatically it will vary. I am doing a movie called Hatya. That also will be definitely different from what I am doing now. But everything is organically happening, not planned.
ఓకే, అంటే మీరు మీ దగ్గరికి చాలామంది డైరెక్టర్స్ స్టోరీ నరేట్ చేయడానికి వస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా, వాళ్ళని ఎప్పుడు మీరు రిజెక్ట్ చేయలేదా? మీరు ఎప్పుడు స్టోరీని రిజెక్ట్ చేయలేదా?
Can you speak in English?
Did you, I mean, you never rejected any story?
So many stories. Because how many movies you see generally here? Approximately 10-15 movies. You're able to tell that this story is not nice, this is nice, no? So like that, I generally when I listen to the story itself, sometimes I will not be able to attach myself in that story. That may not engage me when I listen to that story. So if it doesn't engage me, I will simply humbly tell them, sorry, it's not connecting. And I will sometimes reject movie. I have rejected almost 15-20 scripts also.
సో మరి అది ఇట్స్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ చూసింగ్ యువర్ ఓన్ స్క్రిప్ట్స్ కదా?
It's not choosing, trying to when you go to buy a saree in a store, it's like filtering. You'll go and select. I'm going to pick up. I'm putting the same kind of effort only here. I'm not putting any special effort to do this.
Okay.
This happens very naturally, normally, simply.
And naturally you are connecting everything with me only. About your multitasking or about choosing your script, everything you are connecting to me. All right. And lockdown time lo మీరు ఏం చేశారు?
I was busy in learning accounting.
Accounting?
Yeah.
Interesting.
I learned little accounts, and I learned a new software called Fade in Pro. Then I wrote my own script. Pichagaru 2 was written during that time. And I completed editing for one movie other than this movie, and I composed music for Pichagaru 2, and that's it, I think. Yeah.
చాలా మంది స్టోరీస్ వినడానికి ఆ టైం యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకున్నారు, స్టోరీస్ వినడానికి.
For Pichagaru 2.
No, so many people they have utilized that time for listening the stories and bodybuilding, something like that. So what did you do? I mean, apart from this?
Apart from this, I was very much waiting to start my movie, because I had at that time I had signed almost 5 movies. People, I mean, almost 5 producers have invested on me, and out of 5 movies, 2 movies were the midway. So I wanted to clear out their problem, and I was solving some of the industry issues. And other than that, I was more focused on this Pichagaru 2 story writing process only.
సో బ్యాక్ ఇన్ ద మైండ్ మీకు బిచ్చగాడు 2 అయితే ఉంది.
Not front in the mind, not in the back in the mind.
సో అది ఎప్పుడు రిలీజ్ చేయబోతున్నారు? అంటే
shooting started. It's in the process. Okay. It's in the process. So I will see the movie. Once I'm satisfied, I will release the movie. Because I have told that it will become a blockbuster, and I have to see the result. And I don't want to spoil the name of the previous hit. So I don't have a time limitation for that movie. Once I am happy, I will release it. I think it will not exceed more than a year.
Due to this COVID, theatres అన్ని ప్లేసెస్లో కంప్లీట్గా ఓపెన్ అవ్వలేదు. ఇక్కడ కానివ్వండి, ఏపీ, తెలంగాణ అండ్ తమిళనాడు ఆల్సో 50% ఆక్యుపెన్సీ అది దాని మీద ఉంది. So what do you find difference between?
In my career, generally for my first day, I believe in this place, Andhra, I generally get 70% occupancy only. Is it right? Generally, I
Yeah.
don't think I will be having maybe for Pichikadu 2 I may have 100% occupancy.
Yes.
I think my movie will not be affected by this.
Oh my God.
Because of this, I don't think I will be having a problem because we have sold this movie for a very decent price.
Okay.
So it will not be a problem for my movie.
Okay.
Maybe a problem in Tamil Nadu, I don't know.
Mm.
And so far, according to my calculation, the producers are safe.
అండ్ ఓటీటీ ఆఫర్స్ ఏమైనా వచ్చాయా మీకు?
I think they have sold it for Netflix or for Amazon. I think.
విజయ్ రాఘవన్.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not sure about it. They aren't talking.
ఎనీ
to me.
స్ట్రైట్ ఫిలిం ఫ్రమ్ ఓటీటీ?
I am producing only Pichikadu 2.
Okay.
So this is totally producer's decision. So if I don't pressurize a producer to release the movie in the theater because it is their money, their problem. So if they want to release the movie in OTT, I will definitely support them. Whatever they want to do, they can do it.
ఓటీటీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ని మీరు ఎలా చూస్తారు? హౌ డు యూ సీ ద
It
ఓటీటీ?
is a healthy thing. It's a healthy thing because as a technician, the movie's quality will be much more greater than theater in OTT.
రియలీ యూ ఫీల్ సో?
Because you will be listening that in your headphones. And you will not have any color problem. And but theater experience is different. That is mass experience. When you listen for a joke alone, that is having a major difference between listen for the same joke with the crowd. It will be exaggerated. The entire mood will be the theater moment is a mass moment. Technically speaking, the color will not be majorly changed. Audio will be directly delivered. So all those facilities are there in the OTT release. But still, mass is mass. Theater will be always different in different perspective.
సో ఇప్పుడు టాలీవుడ్లో స్ట్రైట్ ఫిలిం చేయబోతున్నారు తెలుగు.
I want to do it. I want to listen to one good script. If I like one script, and I should become confident about my language. I found a new technique about managing my dialogue delivery. I'm using myself into prompting method.
ఓకే.
I'm getting used to that. So I think I can listen to the dialogue which is rendered previously, and I can talk back the dialogues. So with the help of prompting, I think I can justify Telugu direct movie also. Before I was very much worried about language problem. I think I can sort it out.
ఓకే. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒక డైలాగ్ చెప్తే మీరు
Yeah, definitely.
చెప్పగలరా?
100% immediately. You talk, I will be immediately repeating it.
నేను
speed.
విజయ్ యాంటోనీ.
నేను విజయ్ యాంటనీ.
ఇంకేం చెప్పాలి?
ఏం చెప్పాలి?
విజయ్ యాంటోనీ అనే నేను
విజయ్ యాంటనీ అనే నేను
రాజ్యాంగం ద్వారా నిర్మించబడిన ద్వారా నిర్మించబడిన ఓకే, ఇట్స్ ఓకే. సో యు ఆర్ లెర్నింగ్ ఇట్. తెలుగులో మంచి అంటే ఒక ట్యూటర్ని ఏమైనా పెట్టుకొని తెలుగు నేర్చుకుంటారా?
No, I don't have a tutor. I'm just seeing some films. I think maybe in a year I think I can show some difference.
Okay.
I will meet you and I'll show the difference.
ఓకే. అండ్ టాలీవుడ్లో మీకు ఎవరు హూ ఇస్ ద సపోర్ట్ మిమ్మల్ని కానీ?
Nobody.
ఎవరు?
I have my own appreciation and do everything by my own.
ఓకే. అండ్ రానా గారు మిమ్మల్ని అప్రిషియేట్ చేస్తూ ట్వీట్ చేశారు.
Yeah, recently I had opportunity to talk to Rana garu recently, and we had a very wonderful conversation over phone. A nice person, very humble, simple, and he has got a huge respect for my work, and I have to give best for people who believes me. I will improve my standard. And I think maybe after completing Pichikadu, I will come and talk to people in the industry, and I'll have more friends maybe after a year.
After Bichagadu 2?
Yeah, because I don't have time right now. I'm totally handling 5 departments there, and direction. While directing the movie, I am acting in other movies also.
Yes.
In the pipeline, I am acting in Hatya. I am acting in a movie called Blood. I am acting in a movie called Kaki, Jwala. So in between that, I am directing Pichikadu 2 also. So I think from next April, I'll be free. I want to really come and spend some real meaningful time in this industry.
చాలా మంది చేస్తున్నారు కదా. కార్తీ గారు స్ట్రైట్ తెలుగు ఫిలిం చేశారు, అండ్ సూర్య గారు నౌ ఆయన తెలుగు డైరెక్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ చేయబోతున్నారు. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు అంటే ఫస్ట్ నుంచి మీకు మంచి అంటే కంటెంట్ బేస్డ్ ఫిల్మ్ చేస్తారు అని విజయ్ ఆంటోనీ గారికి మంచి నేమ్ ఉంది. సో మీరు అంటే బిచ్చగాడు తర్వాత మీకు తెలుగు నుంచి ఆఫర్స్ వచ్చాయని తెలుసు. యూ గోట్ ది ఆఫర్స్ ఆఫ్టర్ బిచ్చగాడు, రైట్, ఫ్రమ్ టాలీవుడ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ?
No proper right offer. I don't think so.
Okay.
Because at that time when some few offers came, but at that time I couldn't judge whether this is a right offer or not right offer, all this. And I'm really looking for some good script now at this moment. I will definitely find out a good script, and I will definitely try to do something in my production itself.
In your production?
Yeah, I only produced my initial 10 movies, no? This my Pichagadu is my 11th production.
Okay. సో బిచ్చగాడు 2 ఈజ్ ఆల్సో
my production only, yes.
ప్రొడక్షన్ కదా.
Yeah.
సో తెలుగులో కూడా మీ ఓన్ గా ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసి మీరు ఒక మూవీ
Yeah, I will do it.
వై డు యు వాంట్ టు టేక్ దట్ రిస్క్?
It's not risk, no, it's freedom. You can decide on your own.
Okay.
You don't need to answer for anybody, and you can promote the movie as per your wish. If I wouldn't have produced my movie, I wouldn't have released those movie in Telugu.
Okay.
You understand what I'm telling you? After the success of the movie, people would have sold the story rights to Telugu producers. They would have made that movie with some other actors.
Yes.
I wanted to meet you. I wanted to reach out these people. So I didn't sell the movie rights to anyone. I promoted myself. I only took the initiative to become an actor in this industry too. So all those kind of decisions may not be able to take if I'm going to act with other producers. So there are so many. Bichagadu title itself is a very bold attempt, you know. No one will allow that to happen. So producing is any day a better option only. I have decided like this: one movie in my production, one movie outside. One movie in my production, one movie outside. I will balance it like that. So the movie which is little risky will be produced in my company, which is commercial will be produced for others.
తెలుగు మూవీస్ చూస్తున్నాను అన్నారు కదా, రీసెంట్ గా ఏ మూవీ చూసారు?
Like in
తెలుగు మూవీస్ చూస్తున్నాను అన్నారు కదా.
Like, sorry.
I mean, you're watching Telugu movies, right?
Yeah.
Recently, what have you seen?
Recently, Allu Arjun's movie. Alavaikutapuram. Yeah, I saw that movie. And I want to see this movie, Care of Kanchirapalayam.
Care of Kanchirapalayam.
Yeah, people are talking about that movie. I wanted to know how come the director in that budget gave a good movie, all this. And I think, you know, as I told you before, after completing my Pichagadu 2 work, I will see more and more movies from all the various industries, and I will educate myself.
Don't you feel you're confining yourself by producing everything? And మిమ్మల్ని మీరే కన్ఫైన్ చేసుకుంటున్నారని?
This movie is not my production. This is outside production only. I am currently working for 7 producers for other movies. The only movie which I am producing is Pichagadu 2. And one movie can be produced, you know, out of 3, out of 4. One is okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and as you told me, yeah, maybe I could have spend more time in socializing and meeting other people in the industry instead of doing editing. Yeah, as you told, I can do it, which will be keep me more relaxed also. Maybe I will take that option next year. I want to create a strong own team for myself. After getting the satisfaction, I will do it.
ఓకే. అండ్ మీ కంప్లీట్ సపోర్ట్ ఎవరు? మీరు ఇన్ని ఆస్పెక్ట్స్లో మీ వర్క్ చేయడానికి మీ ఫ్యామిలీ నుంచి కంప్లీట్ గా సపోర్ట్ ఉండాలి.
My wife, sir.
మీ వైఫ్?
Yeah.
మీ మదర్?
My mother is there with me. She brought me up until this stage, and after this point she cannot definitely advise me in what to do, what next and all this. My wife is working with me now, in the sense she is taking care of the production. I am taking care of creative stuffs. So my mother is with me. She is blessing me always. Every day when I come out, I will be getting blessing from my mother. That's what she can do. That's enough for me now.
చైల్డ్ ఆఫ్ సింగిల్ పేరెంట్ అండ్ మీరు అలా గ్రో అప్ అయ్యి వచ్చి ఈ స్టేజ్లో మీరు ఉన్నారు అంటే వాట్ డూ యూ థింక్? అంటే మీ ప్లస్ పాయింట్స్ ఏంటి, అండ్ వాట్ ఆర్ యువర్ స్ట్రెంగ్స్ అండ్ వాట్ ఆర్ యువర్ వీక్నెసెస్?
I am very emotional. That's my strength and my weakness. I can be cheated very easily.
Oh,
I
really?
believe. Initially, when I talk to you, I will be believing you initially. I don't regret that. So I will believe 100 people, and out of 100, 95 will cheat me. Finally, I'll get worth 5 people. So instead of believing, if I don't believe initially, my entire relationship conversation with you will not be meaningful. The entire conversation will become fake. So though you cheat me, I tend to believe you. This is one of the characteristics, which is minus and plus 2. That is the one which is making me very strong. And my minus, I'm extreme lazy person. No one will believe.
Oh,
Extreme hard worker.
ఇంత లేజీ పర్సన్ ఇంత మల్టీ టాస్కింగ్ ఎలా
Yeah,
చేయగలుగుతున్నారు?
mixed personality. I think I'm, what is that, onion, mixed multi personality.
అపరిచితుడు
Appreciated. What is that English term called? Multiple personality. Yeah, I'm like that.
మల్టీ టాస్కింగ్ పర్సన్, మల్టిపుల్
Yeah.
పర్సనాలిటీ విత్ మల్టిపుల్ పర్సనాలిటీ.
Yeah,
ఓ ఓకే.
extremely lazy also, extremely hardworking, a mixed of everything.
సో ఒకసారి మీరు
Depends
వర్క్
on my
స్టార్ట్
mood.
చేస్తే ఇక వర్క్ చేస్తూనే ఉంటారు
Yeah,
అలాంటి
sometimes
కైండ్
in the
ఆఫ్.
morning time when I do go for sets, when I start my direction also, I'll be very slow until 12 o'clock, until 3 o'clock I'll be slow. After 3 o'clock I'll get some speed because I used to be a late night worker. I will be very active during nights. It's very hard for me to get sleep immediately. So second half of the day will be always faster than first half of the day. And another minus point, I learnt everything what I do only after the age of 22. And I always try to find shortcuts. That is the minus, then that's a plus also. So if I wouldn't have learnt, if I would have learnt music without doing music in the shortcut, I would have become a much more stronger music director. I have learnt how to deliver music, but I didn't learn music. You understand what I'm telling you?
ఎస్.
I know how to deliver music.
సో అన్ని రాగాస్ అవన్నీ ఏం
I
తెలియదు.
don't know anything. I know how to deliver good music. I know how to deliver successful hit music. And I can assure also in the paper before getting signing an agreement with the producer, I can assure your 5 songs will be hit. I can do all this. With all these guts and stuffs, I could have studied music. I didn't do that. I told you, I'm extremely lazy and hardworking. I left all my days without studying. After that, I'm working hard to give the result. It's I don't know what to say about me. It's a complicated personality.
యా, మీ ప్రొడక్షన్ కాకుండా ఇప్పుడు విజయ్ రాఘవన్ అనదర్ ప్రొడక్షన్ హౌస్లో మీరు వర్క్ చేశారు కదా. సో డూ యూ గివ్ ఇన్పుట్స్ ఫర్ దామ్?
See, when it comes to other production, they should not be suffocated because of my inputs. I should give the liberty and their own decision making things. And diplomatically, I'll be conveying my opinion to them, not input, my opinion. This is what I feel. If you feel so, do it, sir. Otherwise, your wish, whatever you. Because after signing an agreement, we should not do it because we should not become a burden for them. I give complete freedom for my directors and for my producers to do whatever they want to do.
అండ్ ఒక పర్సన్కి ఇవన్నీ పాసిబుల్ అవుతాయా? బికాజ్ యు ఆర్ ఎ ప్రొడ్యూసర్, యు ఆర్ ఎ మ్యూజిక్ కంపోజర్, యు ఆర్ అన్ యాక్టర్, అండ్ యు ఆర్ అన్ ఎడిటర్, అండ్ యు ఆర్ ఎ లిరిసిస్ట్ ఆల్సో, యు ఆర్ ఎ డైరెక్టర్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్. అంటే వన్ ప్యాక్ ఇన్ అంటే ఒక.
No, I know little in everything.
Okay.
I put 100% effort to bring out the best from the little I know. You understand what I'm telling you? I'm not a master in anything. I'm not a good actor. I'm not a good music director. I'm not a good lyric writer. I have failed in Tamil in my college days and school days. I have failed in Tamil, but I am writing lyrics. You understand what I'm telling you? I know very little, but putting 100% effort when it is necessary, and I'm very straight to myself. So if I don't like something, though it may be my work, I will oppose that. It's not nice, not looking. We have to do something better. I have got common sense to identify this is nice work done by me, or it is not nice. It is not up to the mark. We have to improvise this. All these questions and answers will be reflecting
within you will question yourself. So మిమ్మల్ని మీరే క్వశ్చన్ చేసుకొని బెస్ట్ అవుట్పుట్ ఇవ్వడానికి ట్రై చేస్తారన్నమాట. సో నెక్స్ట్ మల్టీ స్టారర్ ఏమైనా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చా మీ నుంచి?
I'm acting one movie with an actor called Arun Vijay, who had acted in Saho here.
Yeah, I know.
I'm acting with him, and I don't think one more movie called Hatya. I'm acting in with a few other stars. and now after that I don't think I do any other movie with multi-star. Maybe if I get a good opportunity, if I like a script, I may do it.
విజయ్ సేతుపతి ఈస్ డూయింగ్ వెరీ గుడ్ జాబ్ అండ్
Yeah,
టాలీవుడ్
yeah,
కదా
yeah,
మంచి
yeah.
మంచి
Yeah,
క్యారెక్టర్స్
yeah,
చేస్తున్నారు,
yeah, yeah.
వెరీ అదర్ యాక్టర్స్ తో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో
mm.
మీకు అలా అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఒక కైండ్ ఆఫ్ మూవీస్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, అలా కాకుండా అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్ కానీ లేకపోతే అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద జానర్ మీకు ఆఫర్ వస్తే మీరు చేస్తారా?
Maybe if I like it, I may do it. It's my life. Finally, I have to live my life for myself. If I like it, I will do it. If that should interest me, and I should think that I should do that movie. If I feel so, I will do it.
అంటే ఏజ్డ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ కానివ్వండి
Anything. I am
లేకపోతే
doing a
రా
aged
కంటెంట్
character. I am doing
క్యారెక్టర్స్.
aged character in Hatya.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
So you're open to
Yeah,
any
open.
kind
Yeah,
of character.
The director should be strong. Script should be very engaging. Technically, it should be sound. And if I feel so, I can act.
అండ్ బిచ్చగాడు తర్వాత మీ మార్కెట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది కొంచెం డౌన్ అయింది. సో ఇప్పుడు విజయరాఘవంతో అది బాగుంటుందని మీరు అనుకుంటున్నారు, ఎక్స్పెక్ట్
See, I
చేస్తున్నారు?
am doing same kind of movies only continuously. This hopefully should be a hit movie, good movie in this industry. Let's see what happens. I
So-
think it may bring my market back to
With-
form.
విత్ దిస్
I
ఫిల్మ్
think so. I think so.
ఓకే, విజయ రాఘవంతో మంచి మార్కెట్ మళ్ళీ వస్తుందని
Nothing
expect
can
చేస్తున్నారు.
replace Bichagauda. Bichagauda is out of the box, you know. TRP wise, it is huge. It ran for 150 days. That same magic cannot happen in all the movies because that is supported by mother's emotion.
హీరో ఆల్సో మదర్ సపోర్ట్ ఉంది కదా, కొంచెం మదర్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ తోటే మళ్ళీ ఈ మూవీ కూడా వస్తుంది కదా. సో మీరు ఎలా అంటే ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు?
This is a very good movie, 100%. 100% it's a very good movie. And because of pandemic and all the stuff, I'm little worried about the opening of this movie. And we are promoting the movie in the last minute. So it has to go and reach the audience through you. If they see all these interviews and the trailers, definitely they'll be wanting to watch the movie. If they watch the movie, you will like it. They will like it.
ఓకే, అండ్ వెబ్ సిరీస్ ఏమైనా చేస్తారా ఫ్యూచర్లో?
If I get a right offer, I may do it.
అంటే వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ అంటే చాలా సస్పెన్స్ థ్రిల్లర్స్ వస్తున్నాయి వెబ్ సిరీస్ లో, అండ్ రొమాంటిక్ వస్తున్నాయి, లవ్ అండ్ రొమాన్స్ ఉంటున్నాయి. చాలా వెబ్ సిరీస్ చాలా మంది లైక్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా. సో అలాంటిది ఏదైనా?
Anything. I am open for anything. So I don't have a particular taste. I told you, right? I am everything. Sometimes I like certain things. Sometimes I may not like it. Depends on what how they are presenting that to me. If I see a very solid script, if I see a very technical excellence in that script, I will definitely do it.
అండ్ చాలా మంది ఇప్పుడు పాన్ ఇండియన్ మూవీ గురించి ట్రై చేస్తున్నారు. చాలా మంది కూడా ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేస్తే ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ఏ పాన్ ఇండియన్ ఫిలిం లాగా చేస్తున్నారు కదా. సో మీకు అలాంటి ఫ్యూచర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఏమైనా?
Now itself, all my movies are getting released in Tamil, Telugu, and every movie is getting dubbed in Hindi also.
ఓకే.
Many pan-Indian movie only what we are making. Every movie, all our movies are getting dubbed in Telugu, Hindi. All your stars movie
Yes.
are also getting dubbed in Hindi. So the industry is slowly becoming pan-Indian, getting into pan-Indian style. So I will focus more in that, and I have decided to give maximum quality in the photography and in the audiography in all the future movies. Once you stabilize that, both the video and audio thing, all your content will be reaching much more audience in all from the other industry also. You have to give more importance for the framing which we keep. And if you maintain quality in your framing, and if you maintain quality in your audiography, the content which is liked by this industry will be liked by the whole India. You understand? You focus only in the script. If you lose focus in the market making, it will not reach the other audience. If you give excellent quality in visual and audio, if once that movie becomes hit here, automatically it will be received by other industry also. I am trying to improvise my standard in both the audio and video. I think I'll be reaching the pan-Indian market shortly.
అండ్ ఇంతకు ముందు మీరు అన్నారు కదా, నేను కనుక ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయకపోయి ఉంటే దట్ కుడ్ హ్యావ్ రీమేక్డ్ విత్ అనదర్ యాక్టర్స్ అని మీరు అన్నారు కదా, అంటే వేరే యాక్టర్స్తో రీమేక్ చేసి ఉండేవాళ్ళు, అప్పుడు నేను రీచబుల్గా ఉండేవాడిని కాదు అని మీరు అన్నారు. సో వై అంటే మీకు మీ స్టోరీస్ని వేరే యాక్టర్స్ రీమేక్ చేస్తే మీకు ఇష్టం ఉండదా?
No, I want to reach out more people, no? It is not about money, it is about love and affection. If you recognize me and like me so much, I'm so lucky, right? So that's what I want from people, more than money. So I would like to reach more audience. I'll try my best. If I couldn't, I will make it through somebody, some other actor. I'm trying to direct Pichakaran 1 in Hindi shortly with some other actor only.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I believe directing that movie with me as actor may not be possible, because for Hindi the promotional amount itself will be very much huge. So instead of doing like that, directing that movie with somebody will be better. So after completing my Pichakaran 2 direction, I will be directing that movie in Hindi direct straight, because we have directed that Pichakaran 1 only in Oriya and in Marathi and in Kannada. Hindi is free only. So I have a huge plan for that. Maybe back to back Pichakaran 1 and Pichakaran 2 will be directed by me in Hindi.
Oh, okay. That's a good sign.
Thank you.
You're going to Bollywood. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ బీయింగ్ హియర్ అండ్ వి విష్ యూ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. అండ్ బాలీవుడ్లో కూడా మీరు డెబ్యూ డైరెక్టర్గా అవ్వబోతున్నారు. వి విష్ యూ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఫ్యూచర్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ,
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.